Today we are going to be planting Creeping Jenny. This plant is pretty hardy. I don't know what this is actually. It looks like parsley. I got this as a Christmas gift, and it's a really wonderful plant either to use as a ground cover. It can withstand light foot traffic, so if you place it between stepping stones, it's a great spot. It's also beautiful in a hanging planter, so if you want to hang it, it'll just drape over gorgeously like that. It'll begin to go down and it'll just fold over itself as it gets heavier, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. It's also really easy to replant because the roots grow out of the sides of the stems, so as it lays down on soil, see how it creeps along, as it lays across soil, new shoots will begin to form and attach and grow deep in the soil. So it's a really great plant.